committed is towards a sustainable planet, and my project is a water cleaning boat. Water plays a major role in the existence of humans, but in today's world, water pollution has become an expanding issue which is affecting both humans and animals. Contaminated water acts as a base, as a medium for the spread of many diseases. Water pollution also kills many animals and causes so much disturbance to the ecosystem. So it's very important to clean our water bodies and stop polluting them. My project, Water Cleaning Boat, is a potential solution that addresses this issue. It can run on water and pick up the floating waste in front of it. Working principle. So the boat has two basic working principles. The first is for the boat to move forward, and the second is for it to pick up the waste. So I've used two propellers here to move the boat forward. Here are the two propellers. As the propellers keep rotating, they will push the water back, and hence the boat will move forward. And here is the conveyor belt, which will rotate and pick up the waste in front of it. So there are four basic parts for the boat. The first is the base here. This is the base. I've used thermocol sheet to make the base, and I've used this material specifically because it's very light and has a very low density, which will make it easier to float on water. And the second is the propeller system. This is a propeller system. It's made with a motor, two straws here, and two propellers. So as the motor rotates, the propellers will start rotating and push the water backward, so the boat will move forward. And next is the conveyor system. This is the conveyor system, the front of the boat. It's made with a motor here and a bigger pulley which will reduce the speed of the motor. And there are four metal shafts here which act as a base for the conveyor. And there are two wooden sticks on which the conveyor belt can rotate. And I've also used two bottle caps on the wooden stick to increase the friction between the belt and the wooden stick. You can see the bottle caps here. So as the pulley rotates, the wooden stick will rotate, and as a result the belt will also start rotating. Next is the remote controller. I've taken this remote controller and the two motors from a toy car, an old toy car, and the remote helps in controlling the two motors and to move the boat forward and backward, and also control the motion of the conveyor belt. So the propellers can rotate forward and backward, and the conveyor belt can rotate and pick up the waste in front of it. And I've also attached the two parts together, and I've kept some thermocol sheet as walls for the boat so that the motors are safe from water. I've also made an artificial water pond with some debris on which the boat can work and pick up the waste. These are the materials that I've used to make my project, and these are the tools I've used. Now let's watch a small demo of how the boat works. This is the waste collected by the boat. Conclusion. A project like this can go a long way in cleaning our ecosystem. It can also be powered with solar energy to make it more eco-friendly and reduce its carbon footprint. And this boat, made on a larger scale, can be very effective in cleaning our rivers and lakes. Thank you.
Abir Hospital, healthcare you can trust. Navino Man, 20 years of care and concern. Multi-specialty hospital with surgical excellence. Round-the-clock emergency